We're gonna have some fun. I missed having fun with you, and I've always won every competition, and it's gonna be a competition. Who can make the best of whatever it is? It's papercraft time. Papercraft has been around. Okay, papercraft has been around for a long time, you know, and children across the world at some point in their lives have been left bored, and the book was your only toy, right? Yeah, okay. So paper boats, hats, fans, do they sound familiar to you? Have you did that as a child? Okay, so you gotta have fun with your children, because you know what I'm saying? It's not about just the challenge. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna have some fun. It's fun stuff. The challenge is both Neville and I will be given sheets of paper to make each of the following items in a minute. We get 1 minute to make a boat, to make a hat, to make a fan, to make a plane. So, I don't know what I'm saying. We're just gonna start with a picture. I'm gonna make a boat first. Put on the tape. Oh, I'm just getting ahead. All right.
Anybody going to show you what to do? We have a video. All right, see?
All right, so there we go. We're gonna make a boat. So that's all they're showing us? So you don't show us how to make it? All right, let's go. We're gonna make a boat. All right. Okay, there we go. So you're giving us step to step. That means, okay, great. I hope all the moms are watching with your children at home how to make a paper boat. Okay, I just got lost. Oh God, oh God. Uh-huh. I'm lost. Okay, I think we need to see what we're doing. I think Jamaica needs to see what we're doing here. All right, number 5. Okay, yes. Okay, boom. Neville, you picked that up from over here. Don't cheat. Isn't this the boat that was here? Londia, floor manager, tell the truth. Okay, that was here. Where's your boat? So what was that they were showing on the screen?
Boats.
So how come? I'm making a boat.
Precisa. It's a ultimate. Precisa.
This is my kind of boat. This is the Black Star Liner ship. Look. Lots of people can fit in here. We're heading to Africa. That's the boat.
Where the boat there go?
So what are you making?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm lost already.
That's
Paper boat. So what was I just making?
A hat, you made a hat.
So I made the hat?
Yes.
Oh, so the hat was the first one?
No, the boat.
Okay, well, I'm leaving my hat as the hat.
Yes.
Okay, this is a hat. So we're going to make a boat, a hat, a fan, a plane. So can we just do it in any order? Because, okay, there's my hat. Now I'm going to make a fan. Make a unique fan.
Oh, I'm going to make a plane.
I'm going to... Listen, I don't know if we're supposed to be following any instructions, but...
See my plane here?
That's a plane?
Yeah, but it's fire. No,
make a plane, never.
It's a plane, but it's fire. You know, plane, you can do that, you see. Thank you. Don't you understand that? So it's a plane. My plane well for.
You know...
This is my plane fire. I'm done with my plane.
You know, coming into this fun segment, I don't know what I just told the viewers we were doing, because I don't know what we're doing, but I know we're supposed to have a minute each to make a fan, a boat, and a plane.
But I don't make my...
And I know there are some videos.
I don't make my plane.
But this is my fan, and it's a multi two-color fan. Boom. That's my fan, everybody. Look at my fan. Don't follow me. I've made a hat. I've made a fan. Neville hasn't made one thing yet. Look at that. Lord have God. You know what? I'm pretty good at this. We can tell you don't have any babies in your life, Mr. Bell. What are you doing? What are you making? Watch me make a plane. Londi, why are you helping him? We're not supposed to be getting any help. You know what? I'm gonna make my fan even more special. No. You know what? The fan. And then, everybody, this is mine. This is mine. Okay, and I'm going to make a plane. Oh, yeah. Plane. All right, this one is for the kids. I'm doing it for the kids. I'm gonna win for the kids. Don't look at how I make my plane, you little cheat.
No, I am not cheating.
Look at me. Boom. This is when you know that you're a mother of a male.
No, my plane is a
boy child
cargo
especially.
plane.
Okay, ready everybody? This is my plane. Look, watch it fly. Ready? Camera up. Ready? Wait, let me try again. Ooh, excuse me. No, that plane. No, you know what? No, never. You're cheating. That one was over there.
I made this before we went on here.
Listen, he did not make
Come
that.
again.
No, let me make
It's a wire plane I make.
Okay.
I went back off, so got the camera can't follow my plane is with some pace. You ready?
I know I made this with the sun once. Why can't I make it again? So a hat. Why? Give me my fan. Don't cheat.
The paper too light for the plane. Not going to fly.
Don't worry. My plane will fly.
Oh, my plane, I can get a little closer.
Actually, here's a lie that I was told. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe it can achieve, my mind is conceiving that this plane will fly. Let's see if we can achieve it. You ready?
My plane getting a little closer. Yeah, go on. Yeah.
See there? That's a jet. That's a fighter jet. Two-seater fighter jet.
My plane getting a little closer, so it I get a little bigger.
Yep.
So my plane there.
Let me read. What are we to do? Fan, hat. What are we to do?
This is Empressita. Empressita made this. Yes, you're very good. You're very good. You make up. Wait.
Paper craft. Okay. Look at my fan, 10 points. Pass my hat.
You win easy.
Thank you.
And
where's my plane?
It matched my shirt. So that's it for this morning's fun stuff.
Okay, so children, you will not be bored. It's not the book alone. You can grab some paper and make some toys, and it's good for parents to interact with their children, and it teaches a lot of other skills, right?
It does, actually.
It does,
Yeah.
it does.
After the break, the famous kings will take the stage. Who are the famous kings?
We'll see.
Okay, we shall.